First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, remove the factory transmission shift knob by simply unscrewing it counterclockwise. To install the Ranger series shift knob, we need to first remove the Velcro patch. Then we can thread it onto the shaft spinning clockwise. Our unique center screw locking mechanism allows you to fix the shift knob at any height and orientation. Once you're satisfied with the orientation, tighten the center screw with supplied 4mm Allen key. We want about 8 to 10 foot-pounds, but just use your common sense. At last, reapply the Velcro patch and you are all set with the transmission knob. For vehicles with a transfer case lever, simply follow the same process. The only caveat on the transfer case knob is that the center screw sits a lot deeper. This is by design and is totally normal. Now take a break and admire your newly transformed interior. I hope you enjoy the new and engaging shifting experience.